Kilala niyo po sa kanya with all her parang klase po and her love life parang.
Sige.
Paano
Her
po
love
siya?
life?
Yes.
Okay, sige.
How was she?
Sige. Si Bea, siya may professional. She will arrive kung anong call time yun, 8 o'clock. She's there 8 or baka 10 to 8, baka mas maaga-aga pa. She arrives on set prepared. She knows her script. She knows the story. Super professional. So I like that about her. Having said that, kung ganun siya mag-commit sa isang bagay, sa craft niya, which she obviously loves, I'm sure she's also like that. When yung love na pinag-uusapan is not about the craft, but a person. So I'm sure kung nagmahal yun, wagas rin yung pagmamahal niya. Baka gusto nyo rin tanungin yung kapangalan ko para malaman.
Oo nga.
How was it naman po with Alden? Parang may na-issue po kasi nag-cardiff po sila.
Nung nagka-ref man sila ni Bea, hindi ko nabalitaan yun. But I doubt, kasi when I see them on set, parang okay naman sila. I don't know, maybe some people were trying to put a spin on it. Ewan ko pang promo because I'm not privy to those things eh. I know what happens. I know what happened rin before when I was still working with Viva, ng mga TGIS days. So yun, parang on set, okay naman kami lahat yun. Sa startup.
Kumusta naman po yung puso ni Alden? Parang may nagpapakilig daw po kasi. Paano po siya? Kamusta po siya sa set?
That I don't know about and he doesn't tell me about no matter how close we are. But all I told, sa set, he's even happier. Ang saya-saya niya. And I told him, and RJ, sabihin ko rin sa kanya, sabi ko, RJ, I don't know what's up with you, but I want to tell you that it's so clear to me that you're in a good place right now. And I like you like this. That's all I told him.
It says it all. Thank you po, Direk.
Thanks guys. Thanks.